What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard, and today we have a video on the Pixel Watch 3. And yes, finally, we have an update for the Pixel Watch 3. As y'all remember, the October update, I had reported a bunch of features were going to come to the Pixel Watch original, Pixel Watch 2, and the Pixel Watch 3 back in October. And those feature drops brought one-tap contacts, emoji, email reactions, and a lot more. But they never came. And the reason why they never came is because a lot of Pixel Watch users were reporting that the update was breaking their Pixel Watch 1 and Pixel Watch 2, so they halt the update and nothing was ever said again. There's no updates or anything of that sort. But now we officially have a new update for the Pixel Watch 3 and the Pixel Watch 1 and Pixel Watch 2, the November update. And along with this update, I'm pretty sure it's going to bring all those features drops that were promised but we never got in October. We're going to get them here in November. So if you have a Pixel Watch, make sure you scroll down to settings, system update, right there. And if you don't see the update, just press and hold. And what it's going to do, it's going to tell you place it on charger for it to update. So if you're at home, you want to do it at home so you can place it on a charger and the update will go. As you can see, I am on the November 5th security update and everything has been running smoothly so far. I did have a bug where the watch would constantly reboot itself numerous times throughout the week, maybe once or twice a day. But I want to see if that was fixed, and it's out for you to update and enjoy. Like I said, just go to your watch, press and hold in the system update setting, hold it, and then you're going to get a notification to place it on the charger for it to download and install the update. If you have any questions regarding the Pixel Watch 3 update, let me know down in the comment sections below. Bam! Pixel Watch 3 update finally gets the update we've been wanting and waiting, with those added features that we never got in October. Also, let me know down in the comments if you have received your Pixel Watch update already. If so, let me know what's your experience like with it so far. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.